guys, welcome back to another video of Mr. Cow 540. As you can see here, these are the letters that censor the language. The language is called Aurebesh, and I will be teaching you this language today. It's the language in Star Wars called Galactic Basic, also known as Aurebesh, like I already said. So it has 26 letters like the regular alphabet, but they look different. As you can see here, A looks like a K and B looks like a hamburger. So I like to remember them by what they look like. So let's start with A. A looks like a K, like that, with no line. It's two separate lines. B looks like a hamburger. C kind of looks like it looks like a suitcase. D looks like a backwards F. E looks like a V with a line and E looks like a V and a magician wand. F looks like, I don't know, like a boat. G, it looks like a curved square with a line in the middle. H looks like a hamburger, but it has like straight lines. I looks like a number 1 with no bottom. J looks like a boat with no paddles. K looks like a stable. L looks like an L, but the bottom part of the L is slanted up. M does kind of look like a yoke, or like bulls and horses. N looks like I don't know what to define N as. We'll get to that later. O looks like a what do you call it? It's not a rectangle. It's like a square with 2 triangle sides. Forgot what the name of the shape is. P looks like a backwards D with an opening on the top. Q, it looks like a K, but a lot shorter. R looks like a 7. S looks like the lasers from Starkiller Base. T looks like T kind of looks like fire. U looks like the closed stable but open. V looks like a Y. W looks like a rectangle. X looks like a triangle. Y looks like a V, and Z looks like a D with an over. So now would be a good time to screenshot this. If you haven't already, please pause the video and do so, because I have some questions up later. Ready? Okay. I'm gonna flip this over and see if you can figure these out. Now would be a good time to pause the video again and make out what these are. Now I'm gonna hold it steady. Got it? Okay. Now let's write it down. If you said hello, then you are correct. If you said gateway, you are correct. And if you said Aurebesh, you are correct. If you said child, you are correct. Last one, if you said swimmer, sorry, you are correct. Now, Aurebesh is kind of a hard language, like Arabic and Chinese. Now, if you want to be fluent in this language, you have to like memorize and practice this a lot. So, as always, leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. And remember, may the force be with you always.